Hello, my strawberry house. Right now I'm in my room because I'm going to be showing you guys my fidgets, or at least the ones that I found. So this is my big bin of fidgets. I could show you guys right now. Big bin of fidgets. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys. Okay. Starting off, I'm going to show you guys this big red squishy. I'm pretty sure it's from iBloom or something. And it's very, very squishy and slow rising. So yeah. Next I'm going to show you this other bread squishy. I got it at Walmart, I think. It's very slow rising. Next, this other bread squishy. Don't worry, this is not only bread. And it's slow rising just like the others. Then this cupcake, it's not very slow rising, probably because I got it at the, I don't know where I got it. Another bread, normal. A little cake, very cute. This like banana thing. Like you could take this off and then it's just like that. I don't use it very much. Now this mango, pretty slow rising if I may say so myself. Then I have this like putty, it's like putty or slime. I really don't know. But it's like old, like really old, like from when I was 4 or something, so it's not that good. And one time I thought that I found mold in it. And if that was mold, then I'm terrified. Like I have this little thing, it's like kind of like a Nido. It's very, very squishy. And then I have this little strawberry. It's very, very cute. And this little cute little thing that comes, well, came with a case. Just go in there, but it's very hard to get out. And I have another cake. This big fidget. And there's another one just like it. And I have, just gonna get all the fruits together. These fruits came with the strawberry all in a set. Sand banana. This Nickelodeon slime. It's pretty good, but it's like that slime that's like watery. A mochi, really cute, not sticky. This like thing from that, like there's like this movie. This is from it. This is kind of like a global. I'm gonna throw it in the air. Right there. Ah! Oh my god. Oh no. Well, that was unexpected. But anyways, yeah. It's just like water. Pretty much just water. A sand dog, just like the sand banana. It's really nice. This donut. This actually homemade fidget. I just like to like bend it. It's just like paper with tape all around it. This little like raccoon. It's just like filled with like sand or something. This big mochi, like big. It's really big, pretty squishy. This Smooshy-O's from Smooshy Mushy. Popcorn, this little poop emoji, popcorn, sloth. This little ball, squishy, French fries that are peeling. This little thing, deer. It smells really good. I know that you guys can't smell it. And then another big mochi, but not as big as the other one. Big ball. This cute little little narwhal. Fidget cube, pretty basic, just like the normal fidget cubes. Slinky. And a tangle, and then I have a puppet. I really like puppets. They're very, very fun. Just gonna show you guys how I'm playing with them. Gonna do the loud side in a sec, because this is the quiet side.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do.
And yeah,
And one of these days you
pile of fidgets. So now I'm just gonna thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And the next one will probably be a Roblox video. So I'll see you guys next time, my little strawberry cows.